uploading flight logs. I have a good Wi-Fi signal. I'm going right here, and I'm going to go to help and flight log, and it says upload the flight log, and it's supposed to be doing what it's doing. And we'll wait. This is 20 seconds. And there's a 0. And if it does exactly, unable to connect to the internet. See that? So now it's rejected that. It will probably say unable or 0 or problem or something. And then it's still doing it. There's 1 minute in. Now another flag, unable to connect. So if I stop this, go like this, and go back to connect on Wi-Fi, it is connected to my home network, which is an AT&T Gigapower network. So it says connected. I come back here, go down to help, flight log, and upload flight logs, and here we go again. And we're just going to wait. We're still waiting, and there it is. Upload failed, try again, or check Wi-Fi connection. I've gotten that continuously every time I try with a good, strong internet connection.